the sun can rise, and that's no surprise. I can't sleep when I think, and if sleep is relief, then opportunity shrinks with every motherfucking minute I see passing me. I tell you this, you just smile and keep asking me, baby, when's the last time you stepped back to breathe? I don't know, I'm just trying to save what's left of me. What I perceive to be me is great actually. What they see is my whole life a casualty, cause to them something else what I'm bound to be. They binding me, I'm pulling trying to break me free, but you told me slow down, work patiently. To be real, I said I'm scared of where it's taking me. What do I do if I see it's too late for me? You said if time runs out, you'll still wait for me. Isn't that something I hear with